Welcome back to our IT class.
In the previous class, we had discussed about some programming statements in Python. Let's see the use of that statements in our programs. Shall we start? All of you know that idle is the IDE used for typing and running Python programs. Let's open the software idle for typing Python program. Okay. The opening path of idle is applications, programming, idle. This window is known as the Python shell. It is a window obtained when idle opens. Okay. Then we have to type the program in new window. So we have to take file, new file. Look, a new window opens, and this window is known as the editor window used to prepare the Python program. Okay. Our first program is to create a square. All of you know that a square has 4 sides, right? So we have to draw 4 line segments in Python. Can you say which command is used for drawing a line segment in Python? The command forward is used to draw line segment. The use of forward statement is it moves the turtle to the right. So we have to move the turtle to the right direction for drawing a line segment, haven't we? So let's write the program. The beginning statement of the Python program is from turtle import, because we have to create geometrical shapes. So we have to import an additional software, turtle, into Python graphics window. So from turtle import. Now I am giving pen color red. What is the use of this statement? Yes, it will give red color to our line segment. Now, I also give pen size 5. It is used to increase the thickness. Set the thickness of the line segment as 5 units. Then forward 100. The meaning of this statement is the turtle will move to the right direction 100 units. Let's see the output. For that, we have to save the program first. File, save. Give a file name here. For seeing the output, we have to run the program. Run module. Note that the shortcut key for run module is F5. See, a line segment appears. So the use of forward command is moving the turtle to the right direction. That is how we got a line segment. Clear? Suppose we give the pen color as blue instead of red, we will get the line segment in blue color. See the output. First we have to save the file. Here I am taking save as option and save the file in a different name. Okay. I am giving Python 3 as the file name and save. Then run module. We got the line segment in blue color. So the base of our square is ready, right? Now we have to draw another line in the upward direction. So for that we have to turn the turtle to the left direction first. Then we can use the forward command again. So left 90. Okay, all of you know that the angle of a square is 90 degrees. So we have to use left 90 and then give the command forward 100. Now save it and see the output. See, we got the second line segment also. Now, again we have to turn the turtle to the left and give the forward command. Okay, here we can use the copy paste option to copy these commands. Okay. Note that we have used the forward command thrice. So we will get 3 line segments. See? Okay. Now we need one more line segment to complete the square in the left direction. Okay. So again we have to paste this option, that is left and forward commands, and save the program and run it. See, we got a square. Okay, a square has 4 sides and each angle is having 90 degree. So here we used the forward command 4 times and the left command 3 times to turn the turtle to the left direction with an angle 90 degree. Now suppose we want to draw a triangle. Then how many forward commands we need? Yes, only 3. And inside the left command, we need to give the angle as 120 degree. Do you know how will you get this angle? Just divide 360 by 3. That is 360 by the number of sides of the polygon we need to draw. Okay, here in the first case we drew a square. So 360 divided by 4 gives 90. Now if we want to draw a triangle, we need to divide 360 by 3 and we get the angle as 120 degree. Look, from turtle import, then pen size, pen color, then forward command. Forward command is used to move the turtle to the right direction. Then inside the left command we need to give the angle as 120 degree. Since we need to draw a triangle, we have to use this forward command 3 times and left command 2 times. See the output. Now can you say how can we draw a pentagon? For drawing pentagon, we need to give forward command 5 times and left command 4 times. And inside the left command, we need to give the angle as 360 divided by 5, which is 72 degree. Now have you got a clear idea for drawing polygons? Okay dears, this is the end of this part of the video. We will continue our lesson in the next class. Thank you for watching.